Welcome, my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. Bitcoin gave us an important signal this week by closing above the 200-week simple moving average. Historically, this is one of the most important long-term trend indicators. Whenever Bitcoin is able to reclaim and hold above this level, it suggests that the broader market structure remains healthy, but obviously price can and does trade under it. But despite that positive development, Bitcoin's volatility remains elevated, and high volatility changes how you should approach the market. A lot of traders see a pullback and immediately think it's a buying opportunity. The problem is that when volatility is high, price can move much further than most people expect. Spreads widen, execution gets worse, and traders often end up getting chopped up trying to catch every move. Right now, patience is probably more valuable than aggression. The next major liquidity level sits below the 2024 Q4 low, which has not been taken out yet. That level comes in around 58,890. That doesn't guarantee we'll get there, but it's a level that markets still be attracted to before a larger recovery begins. People often identify a liquidity pool below price and assume the market has to react there. But during periods of elevated fear and uncertainty, liquidity becomes secondary to order flow. When selling pressure accelerates, Bitcoin can cut through multiple liquidity levels without respecting any of them. That's why I always say liquidity acts as a magnet, not a wall. Another factor worth paying attention to is the dollar. Following the stronger than expected jobs report, the dollar moved sharply higher. Historically, a stronger dollar tends to create a more difficult environment for Bitcoin because tighter liquidity conditions make risk assets harder to sustain. That doesn't automatically mean Bitcoin has to crash. Bitcoin can absolutely rally during periods of dollar strength. So right now, I'm watching for volatility compression, improving demand, and confirmation that buyers are actually in control. Until then, patience remains the highest probability trade. By the way, if you like the content, please like and subscribe. Even though on the near term I'm expecting a bounce which is starting to play out, on the long term I'm still bearish. And that's why I posted on X. According to the CVDD metric, price still hasn't reached the cycle bottom zone, which is currently at $48,800. What do you think? Would you buy Bitcoin here? Or are you waiting for a deeper correction? Let me know your price target below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!